Can't find your Apple Watch? Your iPhone can locate it in seconds if the right setting is enabled. Open the Find My app on your iPhone. Then tap Devices. Then select your Apple Watch from the list. Apple explains that Find My must be enabled before the watch goes missing for this to work. If your watch appears online, you can track it immediately. Then tap Play Sound. Your Apple Watch will start making a loud pinging sound even if it's in silent mode. Apple uses this sound override to help you locate the watch nearby, like under a pillow or inside a bag. If the watch is not nearby, check its last known location on the map. You can also enable Notify when found to get an alert when the watch comes back online. Apple recommends keeping my Find My turned on at all times for lost devices. Once you locate your Apple Watch, tap Stop Sound. That's the official way to find your Apple Watch using your iPhone. This works for most lost or misplaced Apple Watches.